Welcome back to the episode, everybody. Your host Frank C. First off, I want to say thank you to all the subscribers. Please continue subscribing. You are the lifeblood of this channel. I definitely appreciate your support, your feedback, all your ideas and videos. So please continue to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll keep working on bringing you that fragrance information. So, today I don't have my trusty dusty knife, so today I'm going to be using a standard letter opener to open these boxes. So let's see here. So this is the box, is all closed up and everything. Let's see what we got. All right. Okay. This one is not from Max Aroma. This one is from Fragrance Net. Okay. Yeah, this one Fragrance Net. I got the, I don't know what this is. I don't know what this looks like. Some kind of makeup or something. I don't know what's going on with Fragrance Net. They used to give you like the nail clippers. Now they're giving you makeup. I mean, I don't know. Listen, I probably give them one of my daughters or something. So now I remember, this is Haramain Amber Oud, and this is Ajmal Silver Shade. So I know Silver Shade is supposed to be a reminiscent of Creed Silver Mountain Water, and then the Amber Oud Al Haramain is supposed to be reminiscent of, I believe, Xerxoff Edibapura. So let's see. Let's go with the Ajmal first, the Silver Shade. Let's see how that rocks out. Silver Mountain Water. I don't have a full bottle of that right now. I had a sample some time ago, so I'm familiar with the scent. It's that metallic, kind of icy scent. I also had a clone of it that I got rid of from our moth Derby Clubhouse Blanche. I didn't like that one too much. So I mean, it's a good fragrance profile. You know, I got that early on, so back before my nose kind of developed. So it's a nice box, silver box from Ajmal. My first Ajmal scent too. Also, okay. Bottle looks decent. It's from a Middle Eastern house. All right, let's give it a go. Yeah, that Chanel is serious. It's really, the oil is really blowing up all over the place. All right, so let's see. Hopefully, I won't overpower this Ajmal. All right, give it a go. All right, sprayer is okay. Seems okay. All right. No alcohol. You pretty much get the smell, get the scent right away. Kind of reminds me of maybe Silver Mountain Water, kind of cut with chrome, subtle chrome. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I mean, we'll see how it goes. Ajmal Silver Shade. Well, first impression, I would say it's an okay scent. Give it some time to develop. All right, it's not bad. It smells like. Kind of smells like a special edition of chrome. It's out of chrome. I don't get the Silver Mountain Water comparison, at least not right now. All right, next let's see what the Al Haramain Amber Oud is about. All right. So yeah, this one actually came from Fragrance. Now I have Amber Oud Tobacco Edition, and which is an excellent version of Tobacco Vanille. I actually like that better than Tobacco Vanille. And I have Amber Oud Rouge, which is a MFK clone. Al Haramain is a really nice clone house. They do some original stuff too. So there's the box. Excellent presentation as always from Al Haramain. Nice felt that's in there. So Amber Oud Gold Edition, supposed to be reminiscent of a Xerxoff scent, Edibapura. So let's give it a go. I think we're gonna hit the inside of the wrist here. We'll do that. Okay. All right. Let's see. Excellent atomizer for Al Haramain. Very nice. Oh wow, it's coming up already. Okay. Yeah, this is nice. Don't quite know what the notes are in this one yet, but it smells like it's pear in this. It's fruity. This might be nice for spring. Yeah, I like this. Wasn't expecting this. I mean, I know Erba Pura is, you know, kind of a light scent, but it's nice. I wasn't expecting that. The House of Al Haramain is Amber Oud Gold Edition. But not least, last box. Let's see what we have here. I really don't remember what. I just ordered it like maybe about 10 days ago. I just had them sit until today. So let's see. Okay, yes. All right, now, very nice, very nice. This is another Al Haramain. This is a portfolio series. This is Al Haramain Floral Sculpture. Okay, this is supposed to be a very nice rose scent. I believe it's an original rose scent from Al Haramain. Yeah, very nice box. I know Neroli. They make a Neroli scent, Neroli canvas from Al Haramain portfolio series. Don't have that one, but heard that one had some buzz a couple years back. So let's see. Let's open her up. All right, see sealed all around. So let's open her up. What we have here, a nice piece for your mantle. Oh, you open it up. I mean, Al Haramain is one of those design houses. Like the Middle East design houses are always A1 when it comes to luxury presentation. And it comes inside of this box. Comes this bag. It's also wrapped in leather. Let's put this aside. All right, so it's 2 Al Haramains. Let's open it up. All right, here's finally. Here's the bottle. All right, rose floral sculpture is what it's called. It's supposed to be a very nice rose-based scent. Let's see. This one's kind of died off my purple. It was kind of died off. So let's give it a shot. Nice. Once again, nice, heavy, weighty cap. Haramain from 1970, engraved on the top. Nice rose gold. Gotta love it. Hear that? Heavy stuff we got going. All right. Let's give it a couple sprays. Oh man, that atomized like a cannon. All right, coming up, hit me in the face. Yeah. Oh man. All right, let's let it dry down a little bit. Like a rosy citrus. Oh man, yeah, that's good. That's really good. Guys, this is really nice. This is the best. I think this is the best out of the unboxing. Yeah, that's really nice. It's like a rose. Once again, I didn't study the notes on this one, but it's like a rosy, powdery, citrusy type scent. Definitely masculine scent. Banger all the way. We'll definitely be talking about this one later. The House of Al Haramain is Al Haramain Floral Sculpture. Awesome scent. Freak for Amelia. That's all I have for you today. You know, it feels good to be back. Purchasing again, so I will definitely bring more content. And until next time, take care.